Hi guys, and welcome back to another week of groceries. So I spent $124.49, and this is just for the week. So where do I start? Okay, let's start over here. So I got some bread for the children. Don't mind, this is my coffee.
What did you do to it?
I got some bread for the children, and I just got this. It's not the best. It's not the best, but they go through bread faster than I can produce it. This is the chip that my husband said is vegan vegan approved. So this is what he's eating, which is the spicy sweet chili. So we got 2 of those. We have some grapes, some red grapes, some bananas, whole bunch of bananas, avocados. These were 99 cents for 2, so we just got those 2 little tiny ones. Got some seasonal because this is what I use. My husband don't really use it and he don't like it and it's not approved, but hey, you win some, you lose some. Got some, what are these, mandarins? Got some mandarins here. We got some white whole wheat flour. A bit expensive, but hey, my husband said it's, you know, the best, but whatever. We have some gluten-free polenta corn grits because my husband likes polenta, so he's going to be making his own. We got 2 little apples here for the children lunches. We got some Jaxson chocolate hazelnut butter. He got almond butter, the honey almond butter. He wants to try them out to see which one he likes. And then we have the maple almond butter. We got some blueberries here. A thing of 3 pepper and onion blend. This is a pack of go-go squeeze that fell out. We have some chickpeas or bunzo beans, if you may. So that's that. We have some whole wheat, organic whole wheat spaghetti.
Still don't feel a sadness even if you've gone past it.
We have some waffle cut fries.
Those are my favorite.
Really? We have some yellow squash. We have 2 packets of yellow squash. Then we have over here my husband's all-time favorite snack, which is the Lara bar. So we have cashew. These are not focusing. This is not focusing. Get your white hand out of the frame. We have some cashew coconut. Cashew. Why is this not focusing? There you go. So we have some cashew cookies. We have peanut butter cookies. This is not focusing. Peanut butter cookies. Cinnamon roll. And my favorite, apple pie. I love apple pie. It tastes like actual apple pie. We got some extra virgin olive oil. Come on, focus thing. Got some extra virgin olive oil. We have some vegetarian baked beans because this is all we live on these days is beans. We have some black-eyed peas that we found on clearance. Long grain brown rice. We got 3 bags of those because we go through rice like there's no tomorrow. We got some red kidney beans, black beans. This is my husband's peanut butter. This is the children's peanut butter. Canned food, same. We got some chocolate almond milk. Maddie loves this thing. Like, yes, she will eat that all day, every day. And then we got flour tortilla for the kids. Not the best, but you know, we're slowly trying to get used to eating this good because it's expensive. Not really, but it is because some things. But considering that we're cutting out meat, it saves us in that department. We got some sandwich thins for the kids' lunches. So I got 2 of those because it was buy one get one free. Where am I? Oh, we got some Gardein crispy tender for the children's lunches. So that's that, and it says always vegan, dairy free, kosher. We got some orange juice over here, some almond creamer, caramel flavor. We got some go-go squeeze for Miss Maddie because she loves her some go-go squeeze. We have some what is this, salsa?
Which one?
No, this is it. No, this is not salsa. This is spaghetti sauce. Come on, Janice. We have some Annie's Friends Bunny Grahams. These are expensive, but yeah, it's what it is. This guy is fishless fillet, and this is it doesn't say if it's vegan. It doesn't say vegan on here.
Which one? It doesn't say vegan, but I read the ingredients.
You read the ingredients? Okay. So that's by Gardein. Where am I? My husband's favorite is this is expensive. It's like $7.
$7, but it's too nice.
Made with organic vegetable,
so
£1/4 pound. So these are
so
veggie burger.
It's 4, so it's 2 for one night.
2 for one night.
And 2 for the next night.
So it's worth it. Like, yeah, that's worth it. And then I got some crabless cake. You would think that, you know, us being Seventh-day Adventists, we wouldn't buy something like this, but it's vegan. I'm still having a hard time with the crab on here. Like the crabless, even though it says crabless cakes, it's still, you know, in my mind, it doesn't register that this is not crab, because we don't eat crabs or shrimp or any of that before we went vegan, but or pepperoni, which is pork. Anyway, so I'm rambling. This is mini crispy crabless cake for the children's lunches, and then we have Harris Teeter organic penne, and that's it. And then my husband got a pack of water, 35. So that's it. So thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I will see you guys in next week's haul. Bye guys.